So, Mr. Min, what about 24 November? Mr. Park, that's great. We are ready. We don't have any problem. Mr. Min, we also don't have. Mrs. Min, congratulations. Then I am so happy for my Yungi. Mrs. Min, like Mrs. Park, congratulations. Mrs. Min, you too. Mrs. Min, welcome in our family. Lisa, thank you so much, Auntie. Mrs. Min, call me mom. Lisa, thanks, mom. Thanks, mom. She smiles. She's looking so happy, Mrs. Park. Yungi, son, take care of my Lisa. She's my princess, Yungi. I will, auntie. Don't worry, he's now my responsibility. I'll sit, Mrs. Min. Yungi, you take Lisa with you on shopping, okay? She will choose the bring by herself. Yungi, I understand, mom, and I will. He said in his calm tone. He is happy. Lisa is a good girl. I come downstairs. Lisa, oh my Jiminy, we don't leave you. Don't worry, okay? Jiminy make a big pot and everyone go at his cuteness. He's so cute, um, just like a he's just 18-year-old kid. Jimin look here and there and see a guest. She stand up and bow at them. Jimin, sorry, I didn't see you. Mrs. Min, it's alright. Come. Mrs. Min is so kind-hearted person. She Jimin so much. She always had a wish if she had one more son. She made him wish. It's alright, Mrs. Min. I complete your wish. Jimin, how are you, bestie? Mrs. Min, I'm fine, buddy. And you? Jimin meet you. He meet with Mr. Min. Jimin, hello, Yoongi. He said hi to Yoongi. Yoongi, hello, Jimin. Jimin says Nona and sit beside her. Jimin, Nona, why everyone is here? Mrs. Min, we fix your Nona. Jimin, what really? Mrs. Min, I think now we have to go. Mr. Min, I think now we have to go. Mrs. Min, yeah, let's go. Yoongi, you take Lisa with you. Jimin, way. I mean, why today? Nona said stay. Nona stay with me for some days, right? Mrs. Min, she's here for 1 week. Jimin, only 1 week. Mrs. Min, yes, only 1 week. After that, you also come to meet me, and you Nona see you have to profits. You have profit two in one. Jimin, oh yeah, yeah. So take Nona with you now. Everyone start laughing. Jimin look at them with the most innocent eyes. He is not understanding why everyone is laughing. Jimin, I said something wrong. Mrs. Min, no, I take your Nona after 1 week. Okay, Jimin, okay. Mrs. Min, bye. Jimin, bye. Baby Zen, Jungi, let's go. Lisa, should I take Jimin with me? Jungi, yes, sure, why not? I don't have any problem. Jimin, Lisa, and Jungi come in the mall. Jimin see the mall with his big Joe eyes. Lisa, Jimin, you want to come with me in a jewelry section? Jimin, no. That was so boring. You go, I wait for your hair. Lisa, but how can I leave your hair alone? Jimin, I'm big boy, Nana. You go and do your shopping. I wait for your hair. Lisa, Jungi, can you stay with him? I don't leave him alone here, please. You give him, I will. You go and here, take my card. Lisa, thank you so much, but I have my card. Jungi, you want mom? Lisa, no, no, Jungi, then take this with you. She smiled and nodded. She said thanks and go. Jimin sit on the side. He's swinging his legs, and then he see two boys holding each other hand. Jungi going and Shungi and going. Jungi see Jimin who staring the whole mall with his big two eyes. Said if you someone they both never leave your hand. So I want to ask you, you also my Nona, so can you hold her hand like this? Jungi, I will for forever. Jimin smiled and he about to stand up, but he slipped and he closed his eyes. But when he didn't feel anything, he slowly opened his eyes and see Jungi hold him by his shoulder. He stand him properly. Jungi, are you okay? Jimin nodded. Jungi, be careful. Jimin nodded. Jungi, come, I buy ice cream for you. Jimin asked Sparkle, and then again fed. Jimin, no, thank you. Jungi, what happened? Jimin, nothing. Nona called me. Jungi, San. Jungi, nothing happens. Nothing happens. I see your Nona. He said he hold his hand and take him. So guys, Jimin is 18-year-old. Recently he take admission in college, and Yoongi is businessman. Lisa studies also complete. Now Yoongi treat Jimin as his small brother, and Jimin also thought him as his brother. He's so They come home. Lisa direct come in the room, so Jimin feels scared to stay alone. That's why they stay in one room. Jimin is so sensitive. Lisa enters in the room. Her phone start ringing. She see the caller ID and smile. Lisa, hey, where were you? Huh? Why you are not attending my calls? Lisa, relax. I'm with my brother and Yoongi. Again, that Yoongi, huh? Lisa, Jack, now my family finalized with him, so I have to go with him on shopping. But you don't worry, I take Jimin with me. He's with Jimin all the time. Jack, good. I don't like whenever he talk with you, Lisa. He himself is a calm person. You don't worry, Jack. Whatever. When you come to me, Lisa, don't worry. I will come soon. She said and cut the call. She signed and see Jimin. Listen, mind. If I go, I know they said Jimin to Yoongi. I know I can't stay without him, but I don't do this with Jimin also. Yoongi is finally the Jacob. Everyone is waiting for the day. Everyone is so happy. Mrs. Park and Mrs. Min is busy to talking with each other with some businessman. Sorry, Mr. Park and Mr. Min. And here Mrs. Min and Mrs. Park is talking with relatives and telling them how much both are happy. Yoongi is on the stage waiting for someone to come, and a cute angel is roaming in the hall. He is looking so cute. He wear a white colored dress and also pin up his hairs, which is making him more cute. His pinky rosy apply balm. Everything is perfect. He's giggling, smiling with his friends. He see Yoongi and went to him. Jimin, hello Yoongi. Oh, hello Jiminy. Jimin, how I am looking, Yoongi. Yoongi, you are looking so beautiful. Jimin, really, Yoongi? Tell me truth, Yoongi. It's true. You are looking so beautiful. I never said. Jimin nodded. Jimin, thank you. He gave his eyes smile and Yoongi ruffled his hairs. So happy to see you here after a long time we meet. JKS, I am also so happy finally you are going. Yoongi, thank you so much. Wait, stay here. I am Yoongi. To meet with Yoongi. Congratulations, Simba. Simba. Simbo. Simba, ja. Yoongi, thank you so much Jay for coming also. Jay, we have to come Yoongi guys, meet Jimin, he is the Lisa brother. Jimin, he is my cousin brother Jungkook and Taeyang, they both live in Canada and now come Simba! Simba! Mama! Mama! Allah. And now come for my Jimin, hello, he bowed at them. Jay, oh, you are so cute, Jimin. Yes, I am, and you are beautiful. Jay, smile. Her so much, Yoongi sign. Yoongi, what I do? Yoongi, what I do with you, Jungkook? You don't change a little bit. They start laughing. 20 minutes past now, one come to you. Don't think they took too much time to take her here, and I don't see uncle and auntie here also. They finally notice Jiki, yeah, no one is here, and where is Jimin? Yoongi, Jimin, he call him Jimin. Yes, Yoongi, you see why they don't come yet? Jimin, don't know, Yoongi. I am with my friends. Mom said me to stay here. Yoongi nodded. And then Mrs. Min comes. She is looking so tense. Yoongi, mom, what happened? Mrs. Min, Lisa, from here. She said to make everyone shocked. Jimin is not here. Yoongi, what? Mrs. Min nodded. Yoongi, but mom, Mrs. Min, you have to with Jimin for now. We will talk later. Yoongi is blank. Everyone come. Mr. Min signed him to stay silent. And Mr. Park. Jimin is so scared. He is not understanding what is happening here. Where is his Nona? It's Lisa place. Tay. Che and Cook also look at each other. Both are so tense. Yoongi stand there with blank expression. Father, come, father. So should we start? Mr. Min, yes, father. So, Park Jimin, did you accept Min Yoongi as your m- Jimin look at his mom. Then Mr. Park, Jimin, son gave answer. Jimin, what I said, Mrs. Park, I do. Jimin, I do. He said in low voice, Father, Min Yoongi, did you accept Park, Jimin? Yoongi, I do. Where is I do? His voice is called. Jimin heard his voice and looked at him, and then he, looking down, he said, Yoongi can't even imagine it's happened. And back, everyone started clapping. Jimin is so scared he ran to his dad and again Mrs. Park. Nothing happened. My son, listen, look at me. Jimin sees his dad, who is looking down. He stays silent. He thought not to ask him anything. Mrs. Min went to him and take him on the stage. Mrs. Min, stand here, son. I will tell you everything, but later, okay? Jimin nodded. He stand there with his head low. Mrs. Min didn't said anything to Yoongi. She don't want to create any here. Everyone enjoy the function. Well, now it's time for their leave. Everyone is going one by one. Jimin is so tired. He is feeling sleepy. Mrs. Park noticed. She went to him. Mrs. Park, Minnie, are you okay? Jimin, I want to sleep, Mom, when we go home. Mrs. Park, we will soon, she said, and looking down, she knows Jimin is so confused, and when he got to know everything, he becomes scared, but now she can't do anything. She is already so because of Lisa. Now it's their time to go. Mr. Park, Jimin's son, go with your buddy. Now you stay in their house. They come home. Yoongi sit on the couch. Everyone can see he is Mrs. Min. Jimin, my son, you want to sleep, right? So go and sleep in Yoongi room. You go and sleep in the room. To show you, I wake you up later. Jimin nodded. To take him, Mrs. Min turn and see Yoongi. Mrs. Min, when we go to call Lisa, we got to know she write a letter. Someone and she can't stay without him, so she is going. So because of our, we said Jimin to with Jimin. We said Jimin. Huh. Yoongi through the waves, Mr. Min, calm down. Yoongi, what calm down, Dad? If we don't want this, then why she do this? Mrs. Min, we can't set anything to now. Son, Jimin is your Yoongi dad. I always see him as my younger brother. Mr. Min, but now the situation is changed, son, and you know very well how much sensitive he is. Yoongi, he is a kid. Expect anything from me. I behave normal with him. He said and go. Mrs. Min sign and sit on the couch. Mrs. Min, what happened? Everything is changed in a moment, Mr. Min. Everything become alright. Don't worry. He said, "They come out, Mrs. Min. Come tea and cook. I show you. Oh, Ram. I show you your room. Oh, Simba. I show you your room. JK, it's alright, auntie. We stay in hotel. Mrs. Min, why you both go? Why you both don't go? Why you both don't go anywhere? You stay here with us. Yoongi entered in the room. He sees Jimin lay on the bed, sleeping peacefully. Closed the door. Now he is thinking what she said to him. What is his fault? He didn't do anything. It's not his mistake. It's all because of Lisa. But now, how can he handle him? He is such a kid. He thought not to say anything until he didn't do anything. Like he behaved like a kid now. He is thinking where he sleep. The couch is so small to sleep. He sighed and got to fresh up. He come out and see Jimin is sleeping peacefully. He lay beside him carefully with the safe distance between them. He see his face and he make a cute pout and some tear marks are visible on his face. He didn't even change his dress. Now Yoongi is thinking how careless he is. But she is seeing his tears also. What happened with him suddenly? He don't know when he fell in sleep. The whole night passed like this. Both are tired. Next to Yoongi is the one who wake up first, but because of the sunrays, have a habit to sleep while something he used to hug his plushie. Yoongi sits on the bed and sees Jimin still sleeping inside and go to fresh up after almost 30 minutes. He come out fully ready for going office and Jimin open his eyes. He sits on the bed and start rubbing his eyes. He see Yoongi, Jimin, Yoongi. He call him in low voice. Yoongi turn. He see his beautiful face, his pinkish nose, cheeks, and his tear marks are on his face, and also pouch is looking down. Yoongi said, Jimin, good morning. Yoongi look at him with done face and sign. Jimin, Jimin, now I stay here. Jimin, look here and there. Jimin, then where you sleep, Yoongi? Yoongi turn, he raises eyebrow. Yoongi, what means where? I stay here in my room and I sleep on the bed. Jimin, then where I sleep? Yoongi, on the bed. Jimin, no, it's Nona said it's wrong. Yoongi, oh really? What is my fault? Why are you scolding me, Jimin? Yoongi, I am like this. If you want to stay here, then stay. Otherwise, go like your nonna go. He said he didn't realize. Angel, Jimin starts sobbing. Jimin, are you or Yoongi? He said he run out. He run out. Okay, next one is with the 21st finish. And Jimin come out from the room. He see Mrs. Min and Mr. Min sit there, he talking with each other. Jimin stand there sobbing. He's thinking if his dad is here, but now if he also said he's like his nonna, what she do is sobbing and thinking. Mrs. Min eyes fall on him. She see him crying and become worried. Mrs. Min, Jimin, my prince, what happened? Why are you crying? Jimin heard her voice. He went to her and she started crying. Mrs. Min, stop crying. Tell me what happened. Why are you crying? Yoongi also come out. Tea and Cook also come. Mrs. Min, tell me what happened. Yoongi said something to you, huh? Tell me, Jimin. Auntie Young said, I'm like my Nonna. If I want to stay here, I stay. Otherwise, I go like Nonna. I did nothing. I don't know Nonna. Why she go? She do this. I promise. Mrs. Min looked at Yoongi. She gave him glare. Yoongi stand there with expressionless face. Mrs. Min uh, such such wait a minute, said Yoongi heard his face and heard he see his face and his to Jimin. He must doing kidding Jimin. Sanas no Jimin. No, he's serious. He said and looking down, Mr. Min, Yoongi, what is all this? How can you say Jim all this? I really don't expect this from you. Jimin, uncle, don't scold him. It's okay if my nonna fault. It's not my fault. It's not its fault. He said and wiped his tears. Mrs. Min, Jimin go in his room. Yoongi sees disappearing figure. Mrs. Min, we know we know. Yoongi, what happened with you? It's not your fault. And strong Jimin is also facing the same situation. You are mature. You know how to handle yourself. What about him? Huh? Tell me. Yoongi, mom, he is asking me so much questions. I become irritated. Mrs. Min, really? He is the only light. It's night time. Jimin sit in the room. He didn't come out. He from the room hall. They ate something. Jimin as no. Tay is trying to feed him. Jungi come in the room. Tay see him. Jungi, what happened? Tay, he's not eating anything from morning. Jungi, what? Jimin looking down. He didn't look up. I'm going you feed him. He said he placed the food on the side table and leave them alone. Yoongi see him who sit on the bed while looking down. Yoongi remember what he said in the morning. That's why Jimin is upset. That's why Jimin is upset. Huh. Okay, where is my text? He himself don't like to see him silent. Jimin went to the couch. He sit there. Yoongi went to him and bent down in front of him. He held his both hands. Jimin up his lashes. He looked at him. He said and Jimin looked at him. Yoongi, no matter what's the situation, we stay together for whole life always. He said and Jimin nodded. Yoongi promised. Jimin nodded. Yoongi, when I was called you, you called me, huh? You said to me, stay silent. If I don't, then you. He said Jimin, shocked. Jimin, how can I? Yoongi, why? You are. Why not you? Jimin, because you are older than me. Yoongi, huh? It's okay. So let's be your friends. Then you don't have any problem. Jimin nodded hurriedly, and they both do handshake. Jimin, Simba. Jimin, now I call you Yoongi. Yoongi, call me whatever you want. It's your choice. And Jimin gave him a smile. Yoongi, always smile like this. Jimin, I will. If you don't call me Yoongi, no, I will not. Jimin, okay, become happy. Yoongi smiled to see his happiness. It's really that much easy because I become sad during your really Jimin promise you never skip your meals no matter what's the situation. Okay Jimin, okay, I promise. Yoongi, good boy. So now you must be hungry. Jimin nodded. Yoongi, I'm also hungry. You share your food with me. Jimin nodded. Yoongi, okay, then give me 2 minutes. I will be back after fresh up. Then we do a dinner together and I have a surprise for you. Jimin, what for me? What is it? Yoongi, it's surprise. Jimin, tell me now. What is it, Yoongi? I will, but not now. After some times. Jimin, please, Yoongi, you said you are my friend, Yoongi, so I want to give you surprise to my friend now. French wait, now French wait. Jimin start whining. Yoongi smiled to see him. Jimin make a big pout and go out from the room. Yoongi chuckled to see him. He go for fresh up and then he go outside. to see what he's doing. Yoongi really like his childish behavior. Now he's thinking why he's called him in the morning. Jimin come out from the room with the big pout on his face. He see Mrs. Min and he went to them. Mrs. Min see him and smile. She see him. She sees pout and go at his cuteness. Mrs. Min, what happened to my Jiminy? That Yoongi again do something. Jimin auntie. So he said they give me surprise, but he's not telling me what is it. Mrs. Min, what? Really? Yoongi said this. Jimin nodded. Jimin, yes, Mrs. Min, that's good. So it's surprise. How can he tell you? Jimin, but I want to know, Mrs. Min, if he tell you, then how he give you surprise? Yoongi, you are also taking it side, Mrs. Min. Yes, I am. I don't want his surprise. Jimin sit on the dining table with his big pouch and fold his hand. He is so cute, Mrs. Min. I always have a wish to make him my son, but we decide with Yoongi. But see, Jimin is best for Yoongi. Young and Ji get during a dining table. Yoongi come, he sits beside Jimin. Jimin start to eat his food. Everyone is doing their dinner, and then Jungkook speak. JK, Jimin, why you are so? Jimin, I don't talk with anyone here. Yoongi, oh really? Why, Jimin? I don't talk with you also. Where I tell you, huh? Yoongi, where what I did? Jimin, you are not telling me about surprise, and I asked from auntie, she is also on your side. He sits with the pout. Mrs. Min, I tell him, if I tell him what you do, then how it's remain surprised. Yoongi and Jimin, she didn't know anything what I do for you. Jimin, huh, really? Why not you tell me before? Yoongi, you didn't ask me. Okay, leave it, forgive her. Yoongi, why I do mistake? Sorry, Mrs. Min. Oh, it's alright. She smiled and Jimin also smiled. Mr. Min is so happy to know. They come out and start walking. Jimin is continuously asking him where they are going, and Jung is silent. Jimin, tell me now where we are going. You are not even telling me, Yoongi. Jimin, you stay silent. If you again speak a single word, we go back. Jimin, but Yoongi, let's go back. Jimin, no, no, no. See, I am silent. He puts his finger on his and he stays silent. Yoongi, see, he puts his finger on his rosy. He gulped to see, and Jimin make a pouch also. Yoongi, don't do this. Jimin, if I don't do this and I again start speak, so you said we go back. Yoongi, no, I don't said don't do this. Jimin, okay. They start walking straightly. Walking straightly. Now Jimin is tired. Jimin, oh, I am tired. Yoongi, just 2 minutes. Jimin is walking. He holds his hand. Okay, hold his hand. Jimin see he didn't say anything and continue walk. All, all for me. Everything is fine. He shouted and Jingi nodded. Jimin started jumping in happiness. Jimin, thank you so much. He Yoongi is shocked. He can see how much excited he is. Yoongi about to him. Jimin back. Jimin, you are the best. You know I am missing my so much, but now I don't. Yoongi, I am glad you like it. Take it as a sorry. Take it, please forgive me for what I did in morning. Jimin, Annie, it's okay. You no need to said sorry. Jimin smiled. Yoongi, so you like it? Jimin, I love it. Jimin, can I take with me? Yoongi, I think you forget. It's all for you. He said, and Jimin smiled. Jimin liked the pink teddy. It's so beautiful and also fluffy. He holds it. And Yoongi see he's deciding the plushes and a small smile crept on his face. He's thinking how much Jimin is innocent. Jimin take the 3 plushes and in his small hands. Yoongi nodded. Jimin, then Yoongi, can you said to the uncle, give the plushes to the kids also? They also want see. Yoongi turn and see a kids. Yoongi nodded. Yoongi, why not? I'm seeing how much kind-hearted Jimin is. Jimin, really? They can also buy whatever they want. Yoongi nodded, and Jimin said him to hold this. He said the kids to buy whatever they want, and they become so happy. Jimin, thank you so much. Jimin, thank you so much, Yoongi, you already said thanks to me so many times, and there is no need to say thanks again, okay? Jimin, you did so many things for me. Why I know? Why I said it? Why I said thanks, Jungi. It's alright. It's my responsibility to make you happy and feel special. Jungi, Jimin, should we go now? Jungi, yeah, let's go. Jimin cheeks down. He don't know why Jungi noticed and he smiled. He know Jimin don't. Jimin and Jungi come home. Jimin ate ice cream. They go for a walk, and also now Jungi promised him he take him amusement park also on Sunday. Jimin, today is Thursday. Jungi, I take you after 2 days. Okay. Jimin nodded happily. Jungi, okay, now first you go and take shower. Jimin nodded. He placed his plushes on the couch and Jungi lay on the bed. He is so tired today. First he go office and now he take Jimin outside, but he feel happy. He spent good time with him. Jimin take shower. He come out and Jungi go. Jimin started drying his hair. He done with his hair and he sees plushie. Jungi come out. He sees Jimin places two plushes on the couch and one he hold and place on the bed. He raised his eyebrow. Jimin look at him. Jimin, Jungi, you come. Jungi, what is this? Jimin, Jungi, I don't sleep without my plushie. Last night I hug my pillow and sleep. Jungi mind idiot. He thought he hugged the pillow, but the reality is this: he hugged me. Jungi, Jimin. Listening me or not, Jungi? Yeah, yeah, I am listening you. Jimin then said something. Tell me if you don't have any problem, can I place the plushie here, Jungi? And if I said I have any problem, then Jimin then it's okay. Then I sleep on the couch with my plushies. Jimin, yes, can I sleep on the couch? He asked him excitedly. Jungi, no way, sleep here on the bed. Or yeah, you can place it here, but only here. Understand? But only one here. Jimin nodded and smiled. Jimin, thank you. He lay on the bed with his plushie. He closed his eyes. He closed his eyes. Yoongi see him. Yoongi see how he is sleeping, which is in this plushie. I don't understand. I don't do all this. That he start to do this. Okay, like plushies, but all this can he the plushie? Autism. He give me the idea. I just want to make your on the bed, he sees Jimin with his plushie and he is sleeping with the cute pout on his face. On his face, he do walk, so he starts. Jungi see his face and a small smile crept on his face. No doubt, he's so cute. He's looking like an angel. Whenever he fell in sleep, a beauty is sleeping peacefully. Jungi see him and he closes his eyes. He try his best to sleep, but he is missing something. He see again and again Jimin hug the plushie and he don't like Jungi finally gave up. He slowly take the plushie from him and through somewhere in the room. He take Jimin. It's Jungi advised to stay away from him when he know Jimin is only him. And here they both sleep peacefully. Next day, Jimin wake up. He see no one beside him. He rubbed his eyes, and his plushie is not on the bed. He see on the floor. Yoongi come out from the bathroom. Yoongi, you wake up. Good morning, Jimin. Morning. He is sounding low. Yoongi, what happened, Jiminy? You are sounding low. Jimin, Yoongi see my plushie. He point toward the plushie you place on the ground on the corner. Yoongi go, Yoongi, what it's doing here, Jimin? I don't know. As I remember, I place her here beside me. How it's go there, Yoongi? Yeah, I remember something, Jimin. What, Yoongi? You threw by yourself when you are sleeping, Jimin. Really, Yoongi? Yes, Jimin. I did wrong, Yoongi. It's okay, Jimin. No, you arrange everything for me. And see here, I am throwing the things like this more tightly. Yoongi, no need, Jimin, huh? Yoongi, I mean, you no need to think all this, okay? Jimin smiled and nodded. Jimin, from when you joined your college? Jimin, oh, I totally forget about my colleges. I joined from Monday. Yoongi, good, go and fresh up, then we go outside. Jimin nodded. And he go from there, and he go sign to see his plush. After 2 days, Jimin is waiting for Yoongi to come home. As Yoongi to come, Yoongi said him, "Be ready." They go amusement park. So Yoongi promised, but she didn't come yet. Jimin is waiting for him from past 2 hours, but he didn't come back. He's making him scared, worried for him. Not he is worried for him because Yoongi never come that much late, and mostly he's not attending his call. His phone is also powered off. Jimin, auntie, why is not coming? Mrs. Min, Yoongi, Jimin, don't worry, he will come. He must have some work. Jimin, but his but his office is also but his phone is also powered off. It's never happened before. Tae Jungkook is also not attending my calls. He said with worried tone. Mrs. Min is also worried now. Mr. Min is out of town. Come on, I will ask them where they. She go to open the door. She opened the door, and what she see made her shocked. Mrs. Ben, what happened, JK? I will tell you everything later, Auntie. He said and take him in room. Jimin see tears roll from his eyes. After some time, Jungkook come. JK, relax, guys. He see Jimin is crying. JK, hey Jimin, don't cry. It's fine. Jimin cooking. Mrs. Min, what happened? Jimin, JK, Auntie, when he come out from his office, he called me. He said we go to meet some of our clients. So Yoongi and Jungkook is business partner also. Jungkook, I go with them. When we reach there, we don't like the deal and we said no. But I think they don't like we said no, and only they. I was not, but gladly out from there. He make everyone shocked. JK is sleeping. Don't disturb his sleep. Okay, take him for 3 hours. Let him sleep. Mrs. Min is gone. Jimin here is scared if something happens to him. What she did Mrs. Min is fine now. JK, he's let him sleep and don't worry. They not do this again. I will make sure about this and teach them a good lesson. He said, and Mrs. Min go in his room. JK, go and such auntie. Don't tell uncle he's out of town. Jay nodded and he goes. Jungkook also go in his room. Jimin is alone in the living room. He don't have courage. He go and see Yoongi. Or is he wants something or not? He's scared. He wants something. Huh? After hearing all this and see Yoongi, it's making him more scared. He start crying. He want to go in his room, but he can't. He don't want to. As second biggest, the main reason he don't have courage. Whole night has spent like this. Next day, Yoongi wake up, he open his eyes and see no one is in the room. He thought Jimin is in bathroom. He start to wait for him to come out, so he talk with him. He's wait for Jimin. He know how much he is sensitive. He don't know how he spent last night. And then the door open. Jungkook enter in the room. JK, what's up, bro? Are you? What's up, bro? When you wake up, Yoongi, just now. Are you okay? JK, yeah, I am totally fine, but auntie is not. Yoongi, what happened with her? JK, as you know, every mother, she is worried for you. Yoongi call her. JK, Nori, and you go. Yoongi look at the bathroom door, and then Mrs. Min enter in there. Mrs. Min Mason. Yoongi try to sit on the bed. She help him. Mrs. Min, are you okay? Yoongi, I'm fine, mom. It's nothing. You no need to worry for me. Mrs. Min, I'm saying how much you are fine. Yoongi, I'm saying truth. I'm totally fine. Mrs. Min, Mason. Yoongi, now don't be emotional. Mrs. Min, you wait. I make something for you. Make something for you. Tay, how are you, Yoongi? I'm fine. Tay, you guys no need to wait for me. Tay, you make us scared, Jung, last night, Yoongi. I was just, Tay, where is Jimin? He finally asked about him. Tay is in the living room, Yoongi living, but he didn't wake up that much early. Tay, he didn't sleep all night. Even he don't come in the room. Yoongi, oh yeah, I forget. I promised to take him out. He must be mad at me. Tay Sanas, no, Tay is worried for you. He don't have to see you when you become okay. He come in there. Yoongi here is feeling better. Yoongi, how he didn't sleep all night. Go and please call him. Please call him. Tay nodded and you go. JK. Yoongi, huh? JK, I see how much he is worried for you. Last night he's crying. Everyone go in their rooms, but he didn't. Yoongi feeling. Tay Chiang is in the living room. He see Mrs. Park is busy in the kitchen, and Jimin sit on the couch while hugging his knees. He went to him and sit beside him. Jimin seated. He not go to meet Yoongi. Jimin see, how's Yoongi now? How's Yoongi now? He want to meet you. Jimin Sanas no. Jimin no. I don't go. I don't meet him. Tae Jimin, I know you are sad and worried also, but she wants to meet you. Jimin, but I don't meet him. Tae, how can I see him like this? It has become Terry. Tae, what I said to him, Jimin, don't want to meet him. Jimin looking down, Tae, come and meet with him. Jimin Sanas. Tae, okay, I said him. Jimin is not ready to meet him. He said, and look at him. Jimin, something, but she said to Tae, Tae, go in the room. Jimin, no, it's not good for him, Tape, but he wants to meet you also. So if you don't go, then he come, Jimin. But Tay, oh, okay. I said, Jim, you are not ready. If he come, don't say anything to me. Jimin, no, no, I am going. He said, and Tay smiled. She, okay, then. Jimin makeup out. He is playing with his fingers and looking down. He slowly start to take his step toward the door, and Tay chuckled. She seriously, no doubt. Yoongi is so lucky he get Jimin. Jimin stand in front of the door. He is scared. He open the door. He open the door or not. But if Yoongi really come out when he do, it's not good for Yoongi to do walk for him. He open the door and enter in the room slowly. He see Yoongi sit on the bed. He rest his back on the bedboard. Jimin, Yoongi heard, huh? Yoongi heard the door opening voices. He opened his eyes and see Jimin stand there while looking down. He's playing with his finger. Yoongi, Jimin. He called him in soft voice. Jimin didn't look up. He froze on his place. Yoongi, come here, Jimin. Jimin slowly take his step toward him and stand in front of him. Yoongi see him. He holds his hand to make him sit in front of him. Yoongi, look at me. Jimin didn't look at him. Yoongi heard the sobbing voice. Jimin is crying. Yoongi, don't cry. See, I'm fine. He said, Jim, looking down. Yoongi don't like his tears. Yoongi, don't cry. See, I'm here in front of your eyes. I'm totally fine. After 15 minutes, Jimin back. After 15 minutes, Jimin back. He looked at him. Nahi, he looking down. Yoongi up his chin and wipe his tears with his hand. Yoongi, don't cry. Jimin, it must be Yoongi. No, it's not. But your tears is. Jimin wipe his tears. Yoongi, what you did with yourself in one night, huh? Yoongi see his tears. It's showing how much he cry. Yoongi, don't cry now. Say, I'm fine. I'm totally fine in front of you. Jimin nod. Auntie. Yoongi, you don't sleep last night. Jimin, I was scared last night. Yoongi, why don't you come to me? You wake me up if you are scared. Jimin, Cookie said you need rest. Yoongi, Cookie is mad. Don't listen him, okay? I don't know. You didn't come. You didn't come in the room all night. Jimin nodded. Yoongi, you have to give me answer honestly, okay? Jimin nodded. Yoongi, he asked him. Jimin looking down. Yoongi, answer me honestly. Jimin, don't think I feel bad or anything else. Jimin nodded. His voice was low, but it's enough to Yoongi heard, and it's enough for Yoongi. He smiled. Yoongi, I'm so happy I get to Jimin. Really, Yoongi, yes, I said to the whole world, I'm so happy to get Jimin without any hesitation. He said, and Jimin feeling shy. Yoongi smiled to say, Jimin, are you sleepy? Sorry, Yoongi, are you sleepy? Jimin, no. He make about making part. It's his habit. Jimin, when you become totally fine, Yoongi, you are with me. I am totally fine. He said, and Jimin smiled. Jimin see he become tense. Yoongi, hey Mini, you no need to be sad. Jimin, stand up. Jimin, dad said if you carries the Jimin unexpected for him. Yoongi hold his hand and make him sit in front of him. Both are close. Yoongi, really? Then you will help me to release my. He said, and Jimin nodded with his big blue eyes. Really, he want to help Yoongi. Yoongi see him. Um, he is feeling so. Yoongi take him. Yoongi sleep for some times. Now I am totally fine and I am here for you. Okay. And Jimin closed his eyes. He is feeling so peaceful. Only he know how he spent how he spent last night, and after a long time he sleep. Long night is sleep. Yoongi, hope so. We stay together like this. I don't leave you. You try to separate us. You try to separate us. Now see what I do with you. He tightened his grip around him. I am tired. So here is the first part. So sorry for late. Hope so you guys like. If you like, then subscribe and also tell me in comments. Bye bye. Take care of yourselves and now let me enjoy my Sunday too.